All right, oddies and edettes, let's make some beer battered fish and shrimp tacos today. So let's gather all our ingredients. Everything you see in the back is going to basically be for the pineapple salsa, and we've got everything prepped to bread our fish and shrimp. Let's start with making our batter. So you have 1 cup of flour, 1 egg, and then we're going to add our seasonings. Get you some Chef Nellie's Anytime seasoning. Link is in my social media bios to purchase. We're going to add paprika, some Sazon, and a beer of your choice. I just like light beers, so whatever you like. And mix that all together. Before you batter your seafood, I have cod, by the way, so I rinsed it with cool water and completely patted it dry, and then I cleaned my shrimp how you normally would as well. Then you go ahead and season with salt and pepper, not too much because then you don't want it to be salty once you put it in the batter that is seasoned. Preheat your oil of choice to 350 degrees, and then we're just going to deep fry your seafood for about 3 minutes, 5 at the most, but 3 to 5 minutes should do it. Ooh, look at those beautiful cod fillets. Now we're going to move on to the shrimp. Now with the shrimp, you'll only need to deep fry this for about 2 minutes, and they should look like this. Let's move on to the pineapple salsa, and these are all the ingredients you'll need. Pineapples, lime juice, red onion, tomatoes, jalapeños, and cilantro. And then I also added honey as well, just about a teaspoon of honey. Now it's time to build that taco. So go ahead and heat up your tortillas and start building. Battered tacos are so fun and easy to make if you're looking for a quick Taco Tuesday. So definitely check out these quick and easy recipes I share and subscribe.